Hello and welcome back to the tutorial session of data mining. In this video, we will discuss about why we need to do the data mining and how data mining can help us in generating more sales leads by getting more client details and company details.
Hello everyone. So today I will be discussing about all the processes involved in account mining. So I will be discussing all those steps briefly in this presentation. Before moving forward, I would like to tell you why we need to do the account mining, and if we want to target a specific audience to target or generate business, we need to do the account mining. So first of all, we need to extract the exact information about the leads, or we can say particular data from our raw data that needs to be target or a specific audience to be engaged. So here you can see the 5 necessary steps involved in the data mining process. So what we need to do here is, first we need to identify our target source. So we can identify our target leads from there. First, we need to mark all those requirements we need to follow in the following processes, like in the campaigns or other relevant businesses. In the second step, we need to scrap those data from different websites and business tools like LinkedIn. So here you can see that the third step is getting LinkedIn details. So we need to extract the data from the LinkedIn. The basic informations like contact information, email, mobile number, and information like the location, title, and geographical presence. In the fourth point, you can see the history of a client you have worked with or the history of a lead, like in which company they have started their ventures. In the fifth point, you can see scrap those emails and the contact informations or contact number with the help of data extractions tool through LinkedIn. So the basic question arises, what is data mining? So if a business needs some kind of specific details of any lead or needs to generate business from that particular data, so they need to extract from a data source. The data is stored in different formats, and we need to extract only the important data which we need in our business. So to generate businesses, we need to extract data from a data source through data extraction tools. So here you can see a model where you need to identify the business requirement first, and later we need to identify the data source from where we are going to extract the data. So as I have said, the data can be available in different data formats. So with different data formats, we need to extract and manipulate data in that format, which we require in our business. So at last, we can build those data structures where we can extract and use this data. So here is an example of extracted data where you can see the data types on the left side, and on the right side you can see the data. Data such as name, age, pic, title, LinkedIn profile, current experience, company account. So on the right side you can see that some of the data is not filled as it is the data of one of our clients' detail. So I need to make this data hide. As you can see about the company size and the type, this is called account mining. Here you can see all the requirements that a lead will ask, that what type of services you are going to provide for the business, and he can also ask that if he is having any kind of problems that needs to be resolved. So here are some of the specialties that one of our client is having in the company. So according to that, we are able to analyze what type of problems he or she are currently facing. So here are 6 basic phases that a business would face, and we need to understand the business, and then we need to standard the data, and the data needs to be created in a data presentation or a data sheet or data doc for all type of data, and needs to create a data model which then can be evaluate the data from a raw source, and after that we can use the data according to our needs. So there are different types of tools available in the market for data mining from LinkedIn. Here you can see some of them, like the first one is Lucia, the second one is Lead Leaper, likewise we have Hunter and Snowview. So these are the tools that can help us in extracting data from different LinkedIn profiles. So here I have 5 points where you can easily identify how we can do all those processes. So we can identify the source information picking the data points that needs to be analyzed, extracting the relevant information from that data, identifying the key values from the extracted data sets, and interpreting and reporting the results. So the major issue you can face in data mining is methodologies. Likewise, different type of businesses have different requirements, and different type of business leads to different methodologies that needs to be followed. So let me show you some necessary data mining processes that one can use. So here you can see what you need to extract from a data mining process. So if I talk about LinkedIn is an excellent tool to extract data. Here you can see the search bar and you can search for any data. Likewise, I need to find the CEO of a particular region, like I need to find the second and third connection and the targeted location in the United States. And the title I have to find is CEO. So if we want to extract data from a particular industry, we need to checklist the data over here and we need to find. So here you can see that LinkedIn provides the complete list of all the CEOs from the United States that belongs to the IT industry, along with the name of the lead. So the title of the lead and the area where he is working from, and here you can also see lead's past experience and find the lead's education record. Also, as you can see that he is the co-founder and CEO of Wixterra. So here you can see or you can also find the details of a company over here, and are already that are explained earlier that you can also find the easy details of the lead like name, age, title, current experience, mobile number, email address, the company address, and other relevant information from this LinkedIn profile by using data extraction tools. So let me show you some of the tools that you can use to extract data easily from a LinkedIn profile. Like you can see here is Snovio, one of the tools that I have mentioned. You can add the extension of the Snovio tool in the browser. And as you can see that it is asking for login. So I am logged in already. So now you can see that here is a profile of Greg Loffe. So I need to extract the email of this lead. So I need to click on the find email. So if there would be an email attached with this account, then it would automatically be extracted. Snovio is scanning all the websites that he has worked upon, and if any of the website or web pages are having the email of the lead mentioned, so Snovio would easily extract it. As you haven't found any email from here, but you don't need to worry, as you can easily find an email with the A.B process. Suppose A is the first name and B is the last name, so you can easily find an email with the process. So you can add more formats as well, like B.A format, AB format, BA format, A_B format, B_A format. So these are the formulas that we are going to use to extract the email from any account. So with the help of this process, you can find emails from different accounts, different profiles, I can say, and we need to use the email verifier. We need to mention the name of the lead in a.b@companyname.com format. Like in the case of Greg Love, we have to mention Greg, which is his first name, .love, which is his second name, @company name, which is Wixterra.com. And here we got the email ID of Greg. And as you can see that the email ID is greg.love@wixterra.com. So this is the process, and if you find the email ID of any user through this format, you can try other formulas like B.A or other previously mentioned formulas. So this is the conclusion of the video on data mining. Thank you.
If you found this video informative, then please hit the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel so that you can stay updated with lots of amazing content coming up further. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon. Stay connected with us at Propel Guru.